Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this 36-inch Eagle Claw log puller. This is great for an ATV or in my case a tractor. Now you've got a couple of ways that this can hook on. I'm going to be just hooking it on to a chain that I've wrapped around my scoop. You obviously can hook this on to various attachments using this piece here or utilizing this 360 swivel hook that is on here. I'm just going to take it, put it over the end of this chain and get it ready to go out and pick it up and drop it on. When you set this down on a log, this 36-inch piece can open up to 36 inches wide. When you lift up, it will clamp down using these 4 steel hooks here on the end. They've powder coated this for some longevity. Let's go out and see how it works. Now it is worth noting that this can pull up to 3,000 pounds if your chain and your tractor is capable of doing so. Mine is only rated up to about 500 or 600 pounds, so the 3,000 pound capacity is probably a little overkill for me, but this looks like it'll do the trick.